In this video you'll see the restoration of the outer cases or shells of the radio setup that I'm installing into my Jeep. I hope you enjoy it. Hi everyone. I'm considering what to do with the paint on the shells to the radio. And I'm unsure whether to strip the paint or just cut it back. There's flaky bits here and there on it, but overall the condition is not too bad. I'd like a solid base to paint on. So one of the things that I was considering was to scuff it up, and the other one I had was to strip the paint. And I think to get the finish that I want, which isn't showroom finish, it is the finish that would be adorned on a military vehicle from the factory, basically, which is a hard wearing coat of paint. I think I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and use paint stripper on it, although I'm not overly keen on the idea because it's just so much mess. So I think what I'm gonna do is apply some paint stripper and see how much mess is created. For those that are curious, I'm utilising a paint stripper from Jenna Light in a can, industrial strength, and the instructions are good coating, leave for up to 15 minutes to soften or dissolve the paint or gasket, remove with a scraper or similar implement, and then repeat if necessary. So we'll let that sit there and dissolve the paint away.
A few moments later.
So welcome back. I've decided to spray both of the shells. I've left it on for half an hour. And as you can see here, I've had some success. Obviously, this is not skin friendly, so notice that I'm not touching it with my naked hands. In regards to this one, although some progress has been made, I have to admit it's a lot more underwhelming. Than how effective the other one's been. on with the second coat. So, round 2. So this is after the second coat of paint stripper. I think what I plan to do now is have a bit of a tidy up and then wash this all down and then put another coat on. Watch this space.
A few moments later.
So welcome back. I've got pretty much all the paint off now. As much as effort as I want to put in to cleaning it up. The next thing I need to do is degrease everything. This has come up particularly nice.
Nice.
In preparation for painting. All done.
A few moments later.
So it's just a quick update. You can see that I've put a grey primer, etch metal primer onto both of the tubs or shells for the radio, and all I'm going to do now is put on a coat of the green paint.
A few moments later.
So there's 3 coats of the green paint. So there were 2 coats of primer, and then followed by 3 coats of the green paint, and it's currently air drying. Now I'll leave this to dry for a few days and then I can install it on the Jeep.
A few moments later.
So a quick update on the radio mount. Everything's now installed on the mount, and now it's just a matter of popping the main components in to it, which I'm in the process of doing, just as a test fit.
A few moments later.
So as you can see, the shells of the radios are now mounted and securely locked in place. I have to admit, with all the fresh layers of paint that was put on it, it was a very tight fit, but it is now very secure in place.
A few moments later.
Also, you can see as well, the top bow does not interfere with the radio shell in any way, shape or form. Get that full range of movement. It's not in the way. Job's a good one. So that ends the video on the restoration of the radio cases or shells. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, subscribe or comment, and let me know what you want to see next on the channel. Until then, see you later.